Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have the Vision Well and this is a smart battery camera. Alright, so of course as you can see here, the features include AI inside. There's the Vision Well app and of course available in both the Play Store and of course the App Store. You can see the features as well. It says install, download app, add camera and live view, and this model is the CG6S. All right, you can also check out the App Store QR code there as well as the front here. That's very convenient. On the side here it says keep an eye on what matters, wireless camera, and it has event detection, it has live view, it has 100% wire free, and of course it's Ip65 waterproof. Alright, so that means it's rated for being waterproof, so it can work outside. On the back here you can see the features in case you're interested. It comes in full HD, it has human detection, it has AI analysis, alright, and of course it has wireless networking along with two-way audio, and of course it has multiple user sharing. Alright, there's full color night vision, there's battery power, that is battery powered, it's active. It has activity zone, it has notification push to your phone, it has person recognition, pet recognition, vehicle recognition, and of course package recognition in case you're going to place this as a on your porch. All right, so of course that's one of the cool things about this that I like. All right, so far so good. Liking what I'm seeing in terms of the overall features. All right, so we're going to open this up. First time open this up, and of course as you can see here, and as you can see from the presentation here, everything is boxed. There is the first box, there's also a second box, and of course here we have the user guide, and of course it runs you through the manual. And as you can see here, the product, and it gives you a breakdown of the product. Of course this is very nice, so you'll have a more in-depth idea as to what your device is capable of doing. All right, also we have what seems to be some form of sticker. All right, so it comes with a warranty card. It gives you a QR code on the other side to scan and win. All right, and of course it gives you the period for the warranty, so I'm gonna put this aside. All right, so here we have the first box. Nice presentation so far. All right, what do we get? We get your charge cable. This is micro USB charge. All right, again we get mounting equipment including screws and of course the mount tripod, which is very nice. I like this as well. And here we go. So this is the device itself. First thing I must say, it's thicker than I thought. So this thing is actually quite huge. This is my fist, so it gives you an idea as to the size. All right, so as you can see here, this is the device itself. It has a speaker at the back. There's some personal information about the product here. Not going to show that. There's a base here, and of course an access hatch, and this is where the memory card and charge port would go. This is where it connects onto this section here, where you can rotate and pivot. Here we have the front, and on the front you'll have lights, you'll have the camera and motion sensor. All right, it's not going to show that section up there, and of course you can see the mounts. So far so good, liking the look. So camera along with motion sensor, camera. All right, so this is very nice, good size, good weight. All right, gonna place this here. All right, so as we said guys, this is everything that comes inside of the package. So far so good. This is an unboxing of this Vision Well. Like what I'm seeing, as I said again, this is not a sponsored review. This is my own personal purchase, and of course I purchased this with my own cash. As you can see as well, like that it included the mounting mechanisms with an easy mount, like that it included USB. It doesn't have a charger brick, but of course you can use many phones and use a standard charger brick. It will charge it. And of course again, like the size, I was thinking it was smaller, but it is of a decent size, so bear that in mind. Like the black front with the white housing. Would have liked totally black for a more stealth look, but of course this is the one that was available. All right, so overall first impressions, like what I'm seeing. I've yet to try out the software, and of course you can always ask direct questions. I can show you the software as well, or explain that later on depending on the review. I might or might not do a follow-up using the app, but of course you can check this out yourself. All right, so in this tutorial here, do hope you enjoy, and as always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye. Oh, I almost forgot, guys. So be sure to pick up a micro SD card. I did this one, just SanDisk. Usually use these. You can pick them up for pretty cheap, not bad at all. This one is 128 gigabyte, and of course the speed is 140 megabits per second. It's rated A1 for faster mobile app performance, or whatever it is that SanDisk recommends. I've always used these, so this is just additional pickup, so do bear in mind it has no built-in memory. It needs a memory card, as with most of these cool cameras. All right, so of course you can see it says full HD there, and of course I'm gonna take the time to check this out, and if you have any direct questions you can ask them, and may or may not do a follow-up video. All right, so in this tutorial here, do hope you enjoy. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye.